Africa to the world. I am Yavi Madurai, and this is the AfCFTA Plug. We're going to start with the very basics. You know, I don't know how many times I have sat in a meeting, I have sat in a webinar with experts, I have sat in panel discussions or heard discussions around the AfCFTA, and people get the name wrong. I've said it to people and they have said it back to me incorrectly. So I know how it feels when my name is pronounced or said incorrectly and people don't make an effort. It just shows disrespect. Now, this is our thing. This is our economic empowerment tool. Let's try to get the name right. So today I'm going to try to get you to remember how to say it. This is our thing. Let's get it right. So if you remember that there's a lot of F's, if you remember that first, and that there's a letter before every F. So it is AF, CF, TA. And Ta is gratitude. We're thankful, right, for the AfCFTA. If you always remember that you end with gratitude and you begin with African in mind, how can you get this wrong? AF, CF, TA. Let's do that again. AF, CF, TA. The AfCFTA